A young man trying to cope with the loss of his stepmom. A woman in distress, suicidal according to police. They say when someone is suicidal, they can easily turn homicidal.
You know, everybody has their good and bad days. But
This day, Julie Caudill worried her husband, so he had neighbors check on her at their Ponset Street home while he was out of town for work. Neighbors told police they saw her outside with slit wrists. They tried talking with her, but she went inside and slammed the door. The 43-year-old woman's husband was called. He then called police. Julie Caudill likely knew police were on their way. Police say Julie Caudill threatened suicide by officer multiple times. This morning when they knocked at her door, no one answered. A second knock, the door opened. Caudill stood there, feet away, with a gun in her hand. Did she point her weapon at police?
Well, you know, we're not going to discuss exactly what happened, but in order to use deadly force, we don't have to have the gun pointed at us.
Police say anything could happen in a split second. A sergeant, a veteran police officer, fired multiple shots at Caudill. She was pronounced dead an hour later at Riverside Hospital.
Now, we've lived here for over 20 years, and we've never had anything like this.
Neighbors are in shock. Julie Caudill's family and friends devastated by their loss. But she was a nice person to you.
yeah, absolutely.